Number one, solve the following simultaneous equations. I will start from this equation, the first equation. If y is the subject, this equation becomes 2 half x after I substitute into the second equation. So this second equation becomes 3 half x over 4 over x over 5 equal 27 over 16. So becomes 81 over 16 x power 4 over x power 5 equal 27 over 16. And simplify this fraction becomes 81 over 16 times 1 over x, 27 over 16. So it means 1 over x equal 27 over 16 times 16 over 81. So it means x equal 81 over 27, opposite of this fraction, becomes 3. So x equal 3. Number 2, variables x and y are related by the equation y equal x square root 1 plus 2x. I will using the product rule first. Let u equal x, so du dx equal 1. After that, phi equal square root 1 plus 2x, or 1 plus 2x power 1 half. So it means the phi dx 1 half times 1 minus 2x power minus 1 half times, oh, this is plus, times 2. So it's going to be 1 over 1 plus 2x power 1 half. Okay. Now by the product rule, by the x, 1 times 1 plus 2x power 1 half plus x times 1 over 1 plus 2x over 1 half. It's 1. So it becomes 1 plus 2x power 1 half times plus x over 1 plus 2x power 1 half. And I would like to set this becomes denominator like this. So 1 plus 2x power 1 half times 1 plus 2x power 1 half over 1 plus 2x power 1 half plus x over 1 plus 2x power 1 half. That becomes 1 plus 2x over 1 plus 2x power 1 half plus x over 1 plus 2x or 1 half. So it is 1 plus 3x over 1 plus 2x power 1 half. So dy dx equal 1 plus 3x over square root 1 plus 2x. Next question. It is given that when y equal 12, x equal 4, find the approximate change in x when y increase from 12 by the small amount 0.06. Okay. I would like to using delta x over delta y. Delta x change in x, delta y change in y. It equal dx over dy. So it means delta x equal dx dy times delta y. Delta y is this one, 0.06. So it means delta x equal dx dy is opposite of dy dx. So it is square root 1 plus 2x over 1 plus 3x times 0.06 like this. So it becomes, this is substitute 4x equal 4. So square root 9 over this is 13, 0.06. This is 3, 3 over 13, 0.06. And if you calculate, the result is 0.18 over 13. And this is 0.01385. Next question, C. Find the x-coordinate of the stationary point on the curve y equal x square root 1 plus 2x. To find the stationary point, we need to set that dy dx equals 0. That means 1 plus 3x over square root 1 plus 2x equals 0. So if we multiply 1 plus 3x equals 0. So x equal minus 1/3. Next question. Number 3. Do not use a calculator in this equation. In this question, the polynomial p is defined by pxa x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x plus b, where a and b are constant, given that x equals 2x minus 1 are roots of the equations px equals 0, find a and b. According to this information, that when x equals 2, it means P2, the result is 0, because the roots, x equal to is the roots of Px. So we can writing that 8a minus 12 minus 6 plus b equals 0. So we get an equation that 8a plus b equal 18. This is the first equation. And the information is 1, x minus equal minus 2. It means when p minus 1, the result is 0, because x equal minus 1 is the roots of this equation. So it's going to be minus a minus 3 plus 3 plus b equals 0. So the equation becomes minus a plus b equals 0. It means a equal b. And next substitute a equal b into the first equation. And the first equation becomes a plus a equal 18. So it means 9a equal 18 and a equal 18 divided by 2 equal 2. If a equal 2, based on this information, it means b equal 2. So the equation is px equals 0. If px equals 0, from part A, we have information that a equal b equal 2. So the equation becomes px equal 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0 based on this information. And from part A, we have information also that the roots of px is x equal 2. X equal 2, it means the root is x minus 2, and x equal minus 1. It means the root is x plus 1. Okay. Now I would like to find the one more root from this px, this function. I will using the Horner methods that this is 2 minus 3 minus 3, 2, this first one, x equal 2, that is 2, 2 times 2 equal 4, 1, is 2, this is minus 1, minus 2, and the remainder equals 0. The quotient is 1. After that, divided by this one, x minus 1. So 2 minus 2, it is minus 1, 1, and the remainder 0. So the factor is 1. So it means the factor, this is 2x. Another factor is 2x minus 1. It's 1. If 2x minus 1, it means x equal 1 half. So x equal minus 1, 1 half, and 2. Next question. Number 4, using a graphical method to solve the inequality, modulus 2x minus 8. First, I would like to sketch the straight line y equal 4. The straight line y equal 4. One, I'm going to using the different color. Okay, this is the straight line. Okay, y equal 4. Okay, after that, I'm going to find the intercept point on y-axis. It means x equals 0. If x equals 0, okay, for this function is if y equal to x minus 8, when x equals 0, y equal modulus minus 8, and it is 8. So the coordinate point 0, 8 and 0, 8 here. Okay. And as well, if x equal 8, so y equal modulus 16 minus 8 is 8, so it is 8. So the coordinate point 8, 8, and here the coordinate point. Okay. After that, the intercept point on x-axis. On x-axis, it means y equals 0 if y equals 0. So it is x minus 8 equal 0. So you can get that x equal 4. So x equal 4 here. After that, the intercept point with x equal where the intercept point at y equal 4. The intercept point x minus 8 equal 4. So it means x equal 6. So this is 6 comma 4. Okay, 6 comma 4. Okay, here 6 comma 4. And after that, because of modulus, it means modulus 2x minus 8 equal minus 4. So it is x equal 2 and the coordinate point 2 comma 4, because this is modulus, it means minus 4. So here, okay, and let me sketch. We sketch the straight line. One straight line to 1 and 1. Okay, and the solutions area this one, this, because greater than, it means this one. This is the area of X, uh, this area X less than 2, and this area as well. This area, if this is 2, this is 6. So this area of X greater than 6. Number 5. Solve the following equation: log 2x squared plus log 16x equal 18. So I will convert this one, log 16x. It becomes log 2x over log 2 of 16 becomes log 2x over log 2 to the power 4 or log 2x over 4 log 2, this is 1. So it becomes log 2x over 4. So this equation becomes 2 log 2x plus log 2x over 4 equal 18. Now, let y equal log 2x. So this equation becomes 2y plus y over 4 equal 18. And after that, I would like to, this is 2y, this is 1/4 y, so 1/4 plus 2, 1/4 plus 2, so it is 9/4 y, because 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9, equal 18. So it means y equal 18 times 4 over 9. It means 8. Y equal 8. If y equal 8, so log 2 x equal 8. So it means x equal 2 to the power 8, and this is 256. So this is the value of x. B, e to the power 2x plus 1 minus 10 e to the power minus 2x minus 1. Okay. Let y equal e to the power 2x plus 1. So the implications for this equation becomes, I would like to simplify this one first, especially e to the power minus 2x. So it means e to the power minus 2x plus 1 is 1 over e to the power 2x minus 1 is 1 over y. Like this. So the implication for this equation becomes y minus 10, 1 over y based on this information. And it's equal 3. After that, multiply by y. If multiplied by y, becomes y squared minus 10 equal 3y. So it becomes quadratic equation y squared minus 3y minus 10 equal 0. And through factorization, we can determine y is minus 5 plus 2. So y equal 5 and or y equal minus 2. But we are going to reject this solution, this result, because e to the power 2x plus 1, the value always greater than 0 because of this reason. Okay, so Now we will concern to y equal 5. If y equal 5, it means e to the power 2x plus 1 equal 5. So that one. So it means we can state that 2x plus 1 equal ln 5, like this. So it means 2x, okay, 2x equal ln 5 minus 1, or x equal ln 5 minus 1 over 2. This is the solution. Or you can convert to the next version. One is ln e, ln e over 2. And the next version becomes 1 half times ln 5 minus ln e. Okay, it's going to be 1 half ln 5 over e. This is the next, the different version of x. Number 6. Do not using calculator. In this question, write 5 minus square root 3 times square root 6 plus square root 2 power minus 2 in the form a plus b square root 3, where a and b are constant. All right. So 5 minus square root 3 times square root 6 plus square root 2. We can writing as 5 minus square root 3 over square root 6 plus square root 2 squared. So it becomes, I would like to expand this. Okay, becomes 6 plus 2 square root 12 plus 2. Okay, 5 minus square root 3 over 8 plus 2 square root 12. Square root 12 becomes 4 times 3, 2 square root 3. It means 4 square root 3. Okay, so after that 5, the next step, I would like to multiply with the conjugate. Sorry, 4 square root 3 is 1. 8 minus 4 square root 3. This is 40 minus 20 square root 3 minus 8 square root 3 plus 12, because 4 times 3, over 64 minus 16 times 3. Okay. So 4 plus 12, 52. 52 minus 28 root 3 over, this is 64 minus 48 is 16. After that, I would like to factorize 4 times 13 minus 7 root 3 divided by 4 times 4. It's 1, and the result is 13 over 4 minus 7 over 4 square root 3. This is the solution. Number 7. A class of 10 students includes A, B, and B. A group of 5 students is to be selected from the class. Find the number of possible groups in the following cases. First, there are no restrictions. We need to choose a group of 5 students under different conditions. So we are simply choosing 5 students out of 10 students. So We use the combination formula to find the solution for this question. This is the combination 10, 5, and if you calculate this is 252, the result. So 252 possible group. The second, the group includes both Abby and Ben. If Abby and Ben must be included, we are already using 2 out of 5 spots. So we need to choose the remaining 3 students from the other 8 students, excluding Abby and Ben. So the combination becomes, you know, AB and Ben becomes 8 combinations to 8, 3, and if you calculate, the result is 56 possible group. The third, the group includes either AB or Ben, but not both, one of them. So I would like to split this case into 2 mutually exclusive cases. Case one. Okay. Case one. Uh, case one. AB is included, but Ben is not. So AB is included. Ben is not. The first case. So AB in the group and chose 4 more from the other ex-students, I mean, excluding Ben. So it means the combination becomes combination 4, and if you calculate, the result is 70. Second case. Second case uh, is Ben is included. Ben is included. And AB is not. So the combinations also, combinations 8, 4 is 70. So that for this case, the combinations or the total combination, the total combination is 70 plus 70, 150 possible group. Question B. Well, 10 students are arranged in a line. How many rearrangements are possible if there are exactly 3 students between AB and 10? We want exactly 3 students between them, between the students. That means if AB is in position 1, then Ben must be in either position. Now, we count all such valid pairs of positions, AB and Ben, for AB at for for AB at position 1, it means Ben at position 5. If AB uh, at position 2, Ben at position 6. If AB at position 3, Ben at position 7. If AB at position 4, Ben is at position 8. We'll continue here. If AB at position 5, Ben is at position 9. If AB at position 6, Ben is at position 10. If AB at position 7, Ben is at position 3. If AB at a position 8, Ben is at position 4. Here. If AB at the position 9, Ben is at position 5. If AB at position 10, Ben is at position 6. So there are totally 10. And About- So this is 10 position, but plus 2 with ABN band. So this gives 12 valid. This gives that 12 valid position pairs. Okay, 6 pairs. 6 pairs where band is to the right place, I mean, and six pairs where band is to the left. So there are 12 valid 12 valid ways to place Abby and Ben with 3 students between them. For each valid Abby and for each valid Abby and Ben placement, the other 3 students, the other so the other 8 students, I mean, can be arranged becomes uh, 8 factorials, and 8 factorials is 40,320 ways. Okay. So the total arrangement is 12 times 8 factorials. It is 483,840 arrangement. Next question, number 8. Solve the equation cotangent squared 2 theta plus 3 cosecant 2 theta equal 9 with theta interval minus 90 to 90. Okay. These equations I would like to writing becomes cosecant squared 2 theta minus 1 plus 3 cosecant 2 theta equal 9. Because cotangent squared 2 theta equal 1 equal cosecant squared 2 theta minus 1. And it's going to be cosecant squared 2 theta plus 3 cosecant 2 theta minus 10 equals 0. Now by substitution, let y equal cosecant 2 theta. Y equal cosecant 2 theta. So this equation becomes y squared plus 3y minus 10 equal 10. And if we factorize, becomes y, this is plus 5, this is minus 2. So y equal minus 5 or y equal 2. I need more space. Okay, so now if cosecant 2 theta equal minus 5, it means 1 over sine 2 theta equal minus 5, because cosecant 2 theta equal 1 over sine 2 theta. So sine 2 theta equal minus 1/5, like this. So uh, it means 2 theta equals sine to the power 1 minus 1 sine power minus 1 of 1 minus 1/5. So it is minus 11.54. So it means theta equal minus 5.77. So also I would like to write in here also 2 theta equal 180 plus sine power minus 1, 1 of minus 1/5. That means this is 180 minus sine power minus 1 of 1/5. So this is 191.5. So the result is a theta equal 95.77, but it is greater than 90. Look, the interval, the interval theta is 1, okay, less than maximum 90. So discard for this result. So for this part, we're just using this one, theta equal minus 5.77. Also, y equal 2. So it means cosecant 2 theta equal to 1 over sine 2 theta equal 2. So it means sine 2 theta equal 1/2. So it means 2 theta equal 30 or 150. So theta equal 30 divided by 2, 15. 150 divided by 2 equals 70. So it means theta, we can state that theta equal minus 5.77, 15 degrees, and 75. Next question, number 9. In this question, time is measured in seconds. A particle is moving in a straight line with constant velocity of 6 meters per second. At time t equals 0, it passes a fixed point A. At time t equals 5, it suddenly changes direction and moves with a different constant velocity along the same straight line. It passes the point A again at time equals 15. Sketch the velocity times graph for the motion. To sketch the velocity times graph for this motion, we need to break the motion becomes two parts. The first part is time when time 0 to 5. As long as this time 0 to 5, the constant velocity, according to this information, that 6 meters per second. So it means the graph, the velocity times graph is 6. It's 1. The straight line from 0 to 5. And at time t equal 5, it suddenly changes direction and moves with a different constant velocity along the same straight line. It passes the point A again at time t equal 15. So at the second phase or second part, the velocity t from 5 to 15. Okay, so this is 5. I will fix this 5 to 15. And on this part, that the velocity becomes, according to the information, becomes 6 times 5, okay, and divided by 10 as long as 10 minutes. So it becomes, actually this is 30, but based on this information, it suddenly changes the direction. So directions, so it means the velocity becomes minus 30 meter per second. Okay, as long as this time. So it means the second graph, I'm going to using different color. This is minus 3 minus 30 divided by 10, I mean. So the velocity becomes minus 3 meter per second. So this one from 5 to 15. Okay. Next question. Another particle is moving in a straight line with constant accelerations at time t equals 0. It passes a fixed point B with velocity minus 8 meter per second. It passes the point B again at time t equals 20. Sketch the velocity time to graph for the motion. So the first is here, 0, and it's around here, the minus 8, according to the information, and after that 20, and here it's an 8. If you look this question, okay. So after that, if you sketch a straight line from this point, this corner point into this corner point, with a ruler, it will be passing through this point, okay, 10, 0. It will be passing through, automatically will passing through 10, 0. Okay, that is the straight line. Next question. In the diagram, okay, the diagram shows part of curve y equal x minus x squared over 4, and the line y equal minus 4. The curve and the line intersect at the point A. This point intersect here. The maximum point on the curve is at a perpendicular distance h from the line y equal minus 4. Find the value of h. Okay, so the function is 1, y equal x minus x squared over 4. If we will find the maximum point, we are going to set dy dx or the derivative of this function equals 0. So derivative of this function is 1 minus 2 over 4 x, okay, equals 0, or 1 minus 1 half x equals 0. So 1 half x equal 1. X equal 2. After that substitute this information is x equal to into this function. if you substitute, it's going to be y equal 2 minus 2 squared over 4. 2 minus 1 equal 2, equal 1, sorry, equal 1. So the coordinate point or the maximum point is 2, comma 1. Each one the maximum point, this point. So this is 2, comma 1. This 1 here, and this is 2 here. And after that, we need to find the h. H is from this point to this point, from 1 to minus 4. So h equal 1 minus 4. So it is 1 plus 4, 5. So this is 5, h. Next question. B. Find the exact x coordinate of A. To find the x coordinate point A, we have information that point A is the point of intersection between the curve and the line. This one, okay, the curve, this one, the curve and this straight line, y equal minus 4. So it means we need to set like this, x minus x squared 4, y equal minus 4. So if y equal y, it means x minus x squared over 4 equal minus 4. And if you multiply by minus 4, this equation becomes minus 4x plus x squared equal 16, or x squared minus 4x minus 16 equals 0. By quadratic equation formula, we are going to find the roots. Minus 4 squared minus 4, 1 times minus 16 divided by 2 times 1. It becomes 4 plus minus square root. This is 80 over 2. And it becomes 4 plus minus 16 times 5. So 4 root 5. So x1 and x2, if divided by 2, is 2 plus minus 2 square root 5. So x1, 2 plus 2 square root 5. And x2, 2 minus 2 square root 5. But we will not using this result because 2 minus 2 square root 5 is negative number. So if you evaluate this graph, this diagram, x are positive. There is no x negative here. Okay. So x equal 2 plus 2 square root 5. Next question. Find the acute angle between the tangent to the curve at A and the line y equal minus 4. From part B, we have information that x equal this one, 2 plus 2 square root 5. So it means coordinate point A is 2 plus 2, 2 square root 5, comma minus 4. This is the coordinate point A. Right. Now we are going to find the gradient. The gradient is dy dx is derivative of the function. From part A, we have information that the derivative of dy dx of y is 1 minus 1 half x. And after that, we are going to substitute this information. Okay, x equal 2 plus 2 square root 5 into here, dy dx. So it becomes 1 minus 1 half times 2 plus 2 square root 5. It's going to be 1 minus 2 square root 5. So the result is, sorry, square root 5, because 1 half times 2 square root 5. So the result is square root 5, because it's 0. Okay, and after that, we're going to find the angle between the tangent and the line y equals minus 4. So line y, okay, line y equal minus 4. This is the horizontal line. So it has gradient, the gradient equal 0. Okay. So it means we can state that m1 equal minus square root 5, 1, because this is a gradient of the curve, and m2 gradient of the straight line equals 0. To find the angle between two lines with gradient m1 and m2, we will find through this formula. Tangent theta equal modulus of m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 times m2. Or modulus m1 is minus square root 5 minus 0 over 1 plus minus square root 5 times 0. So this is minus square root 5 divided by 1 minus square root 5. And the result is square root 5 because modulus. So it means theta equal tangent or arctangent, tangent power minus 1 of square root 5. And the result is 65.9 degrees. Number 11. In this question, I is a unit vector in the positive x direction and j is a unit vector in the positive y direction. Time is in seconds and distance are in meters. The diagram shows the initial position and velocities of two particles A and B that move in the xy plane. This plane. Particle A starts from the origin O at time t equals 0. It moves with constant speed 10 meters per second in the direction 60 degrees above the x-axis. Find the exact values of the components of the velocity of particle A in the x direction and the y direction. Okay. On this diagram, there are components vectors. I would like to show you that if this is the right angle triangle, so sine 60 equal, this is y or phi y, I will, this is phi x or x, okay, and this is 10, it will be y, so y over y or phi y over 10. So it means y equal 10 sine 60 and phi x equal 10 cosine 60. So there are two components, y and x. So if we calculate this one, this is sine 60 is square root half, so it means 5. square root 3, and cosine 60 is half, so this is 5. Okay. So the x component is 5 meters per second, and the y component is 5 square root 3 meters per second. X component is 5 meters per second, and y component is 5 square root 3 meters per second. Next question. Find in terms of t, the position vector of particle A at time t. The position vector, this one, at time t, like this, it is the initial vector, okay, plus VAT, the velocity, in times t, okay. Sorry, in times t, not function, in times t. In times t. So it is 0 plus 5t I plus 5 square root 3j. This one. This is the position vector. Position vector A. Okay. And next question. Wait, I'm gonna fix the position vector times t is 5t I plus 5 square root 3 j. This one. Particle B starts from the point 2 square root 3, 9 at time t equals 0. It moves with constant speed 5/3 meter per second parallel to the positive x-axis. You can evaluate the diagram. Find in terms of t the position vector of particle B at time t. So the velocity vector B is 5/3 I based on this information. This one. So it means the position vector B at time t at time t is this one 0, then t equals 0, and plus the velocity in t, so it is 2 square root 3 plus 5/3 I plus 9j. So this is the position vector of particle B at time t. Next, D. And show that the particles collide. To show the particle collide, we need to find if there exists a time t when their position vector are equal. So it means the position vector A in times t equal the position vector B in times t. So it means 5t I plus 5 square root 3 j equal 2 square root 3 plus 5/3 t I plus 9j. So now we're going to find t. How to find t? Equating the components. So I would like to equating 5t equal 2 square root 3 plus 5/3 t. 5t equal 2 square root 3 plus 5/3 t. So it becomes 5t minus 5/3 t equal 2 square root 3. 3 times 5, 15, minus 5 is 10. So it is Then third t equal to square root 3. So it means t equal 3 over 10 times 2 square root 3. So simplify, it becomes 3 over 5 equals 2 divided by 10. So it becomes 3/5 square root 3. So t is this one. So t equal 3/5 square root 3. So next question, number 12. Oh, before number 12, I would like to write in the conclusion for this number 11. Conclusion that the particles occupy the same position at time t equal 3/5 square root 3 seconds. So it means we can state that the particles collide. This is the conclusion. Number 12, a metal tank is in the shape of cuboid with a square base of side x meters and an open top. The tank has a volume of 5 meter cube. Given that x can vary and that the area of the metal used to make the tank is a minimum, find the dimensions of the tank. Right. The tank has a square base of side x and the height h. So I would like to write in the tank volume is x squared times h equal 5. Okay, based on this statement. So it means h equal 5 over x squared. So we are going to use this information to find the surface area. The surface area, or A, equal area of base plus area of 4 sides. So area of base is x squared plus area of 4 sides is 4xh. After that, substitute this information that h equal 5 over x squared. Okay, so it becomes x squared. Okay, x squared plus okay, x squared plus 4x times 5 over x squared. It becomes x squared plus 20 over x. So this is the surface area. And the next step, we are going to minimize the surface area. So I will set the a dx, derivative of this function, equals 0. The a dx equals 0, so becomes 2x minus 20 over x squared equals 0. If equals 0, we can find x equal 20 over x squared. So it means 2x cubed equal 20 and x cubed equal 10. So x equal a cube root, the cube root of 10. This is x. Then we can find h based on the information that h equal 5 over x squared. So 5 over the cube root of 10 squared, or 5 over 10 power 2/3. So it means the base side, the conclusion, base side, the base side or x equal cube root 10, and if you calculate, this is 2.154 meters, and the height or h equal 5 over 10 power 2/3, and if you calculate on calculator, this is 1.077 meters.